The Great Depression. In October of 1929, the stock market suffered severe losses. It plunged over 22% in just a few short days, making headlines across the country. But this was only the beginning. Over the next several years, the markets would have difficulty recovering. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, 1, would take a staggering 32-year setback, losing nearly 90% of its value. From its peak of 381.17 in September 1929, it would close at a shocking 41.22 on July 8, 1932. It would take another 22 years to surpass its all-time high before the crash in 1929. Nearly 25% of all Americans would be unemployed and unable to find work. 3. Over 40% of banks would shut down. 4. Millions of savings accounts would simply disappear. Here's where it gets interesting. While banks, businesses, and government sectors were closing their doors, one sector of the economy stood strong and steady, unaffected by these horrible circumstances. Life insurance companies. Life insurance companies remained virtually unscathed. While the markets suffered severe losses, owners of cash value life insurance didn't lose a dime. They didn't lose any money in the Great Depression, and they haven't lost money since. In fact, it was such a stable place to have money that while many people lost everything, those who owned life insurance were paid profits in every single year of the Great Depression and every single year after. It was truly a beacon of hope amid fear and chaos. It was the only place that truly triumphed the devastation of that time. This is extremely significant. Some believe our most difficult times are ahead of us, with difficult political issues at the door like the national debt, government spending, Social Security, Medicare, as well as economic issues like inflation, taxes, debt, and so on. Knowing how and where to keep your money safe is becoming increasingly important. As you'll soon discover, life insurance companies played a big role in helping families and businesses stay afloat and ultimately trump these difficult circumstances.